Cooper&Hunter, Comfort Innovations.
To register your Cooper&Hunter product for warranty, go to www.cooperandhunter.us. Click Warranty Registration at the top of the page. Make sure that Register Your Product is selected and scroll down to the form. Click Customer or Contractor. Enter the requested information, including your name, last name, email address, street address, city, state, and zip code. Once all the fields are complete, click anywhere on the page, and the Next Step button will turn blue. Click Next Step. Select your product type. When the page has loaded, select Add another product. Select Indoor or Outdoor and enter the appropriate unit serial number. Click anywhere on the page, and the indoor unit model number will autofill. Click Add Indoor or Add Outdoor and fill in the information for each unit. Make sure to include each individual indoor and outdoor unit for warranty. Next, you will need to provide the installer license number and purchase information, including purchase date, installation date, and purchase place. Click the box to confirm your information and then click Finish. Your warranty registration is complete. Save your registration number for your reference and enjoy your Cooper&Hunter product.